Myself, YASHASWINI, first year CSPS, startup company name, Prime Tech Creations, product present name, water bottle, product proposed name, crystal sip, mentioning some of the requirements and feeling about the product as said by the customers during the empathizing activity. Glowing water bottle at night, Wi-Fi connection to smartwatch. Based on the empathizing state and considering the feeling and requirements of customers, many new features are added to the existing product. Existing product name water bottle, futuristic product name crystal sip. Some of the additional features to be added are mentioned here: glowing water bottle at night, Wi-Fi connection to smartwatch, music player, eco-friendly. In the prototype stage, in real working model has to be manufactured. Due to time constraint, the mentor advised to draw a sketch. The sketch is given below. I request the viewers of the presentation video to comment your opinion to satisfy the testing stage. Thank you.